Stop!
Hey there, what parts of town ye reckon ye come from? What do you mean? Like, where do I think I come from? Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna tell you that. Well, then tell me about your address. How's your address been treating ya? No. Alright, then. How's your day been? What you been up to? Oh, okay. See, there you go. Now you're talking like a normal person. The first thing was I got up, then I took a blazing hot shower without cleaning myself, which I technically didn't need to clean myself because I wasn't going anywhere. Uh, anyway, I got out of the shower and scrambled some eggs, toasted some toast, then ate the toast and scrambled eggs. So yeah, breakfast. Then I read some of In the Realm of Hungry Ghosts by Gabor Mate. Okay, I heard enough. Wait, I need to tell about the album you listened to. Album? What album you talking about? Oh, now you're interested. So you like music, do ya? Music? Shut the fuck up.
Let the boy speak.
Would you like to know about how I soaked in the sound waves of this particular long play?
Go ahead, I suppose. Yeah. So, I was sitting paralyzed on my computer screen, and then, I have to find new ways to listen to new albums. Can't just sit there. I thought, I haven't made a reaction video. You know what? That sounds like a pretty good idea, I said to myself. So I did that. And yeah. Now what about the album? Did you like it? And what did you like about it if you liked it? Well, in order to explain that, I have to retell a dream I experienced last night. In this dream, I had ringing, really loud ringing in my ears. Some people would call this ringing a type of noise, you see? I see! And this particular noise in the dream did not sound like the ones on the album. It didn't sound like the noises on the album, but it did feel like the same physical sensation was occurring. And this physical sensation was that of extreme paranoia. I could feel every inch of my neck muscles tensing into a black hole of rock-hard boulders. So I would say that I would give this album an 8.3 out of 10. Pretty good. Yeah.